Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from there. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. Been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one.
Parang wala naman na. Ayan, meron. Just keep going lang all the way.
There's no blue flag.
Yeah. It's good, right? An apple day keep the doctors away. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. We're here at Barry Hill Farm doing some apple picking. If you don't like it, just throw it and grab the new one. That's how it goes here. Ano, busog na? Mami nagsisilid sa bag, oh.
Matamis to.
$23 for a basket full of apples. Okay. Keep going, guys. This one here, let me try it. Just rub it. That's it. Try it. So crunchy.
Oh my gosh, shout out love to Bautista family of Australia. Dito kami sa apple picking. Love you.
Ayun. Shout out sa kay Nanay Remy.
Shout out kay Balae, Remy.
Bautista.
Masarap ang mansanas dito.
Sila Wilma.
Sila Wilma. Sila Egay. Hi Cass and Kimi, dito kami sa apple picking. Lauren, William, and Sophie.
Yes. Si Carla,
dito kami sa apple picking. Walang orange dito.
Bautista family,
Ano ba? Sila Nestor ni Belle.
Yes.
Diba? Sila Edwin, sila Ate Abby. Okay, mega shout out, love you all.
Ayan, mega love shout out sa lahat ng Bautista family, New South Wales, Australia. Ingat kayo dyan, and we're okay here having fun with this apple picking. Ingat kayo, I know naka-lockdown kayo. So God bless you all. Bautista family, Lagrimas family, New South Wales, Australia. Oh, iba rito, dear. Mas dark to, oh. Yeah, this one is darker. So aside from the basket for $23, it's eat all you can. Eat all you can. So crunchy. So good. Uy. So the apple picking just started, and it will be open up till the Thanksgiving holiday.
You know, don't concentrate on the big one, anak, the biggest one. And don't just concentrate with one tree.
Everything is in one tree.
No, I mean try different trees. Look, ayaw nyo na may mata. Look!
One more. May isang basket ka na, busog ka pa. Iba talaga pag fresh from the tree. It's really crunchy and makatas siya.
I want the Fuji apple. It's all the way down there.
Fuji?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go.
the Japanese apple.
Kailan kayo huling nakalabas?
Tagal na to.
Last year pa, no? Last year pa kayo
2 years lang hindi kami nakalabas.
2 years na
18 months. My God.
na-stuck sa loob ng bahay.
Yeah, 18 months.
Ayan. Crisp. What's the difference? Oh, lots of wasted. So this one is called ambrosia. Small and green ones. It's a different variety. Let me try it. Crispy. Delicious too. Ang tamis. Oh, mga kabayan. Ayos ba? Busog na ba?
Busog na ko yan. Overflowing na eh.
Apaw na, apaw na.
Ang dami.
Ayos ba, kabayan?
Yes.
Oh, wala kang basket.
Wala eh. Hindi, sa misis. Pag nahulog na, ano pala?
Pag nahulog na, marumi na. Ako baka uli.
Kayo ba dun sa bus? Parang sa bus kayo?
Mga sa bus.
Oh, okay.
Saan kayo galing?
Oh, okay. Ito, hitik na hitik, oh. Dami mo naman tinapon.
It's okay. Okay, look, I love that one. Sorry, guys. Okay.
Grab some more. Di baling apaw na apaw siya eh. That's it, that's it. Last one. I'm really full, so this is gonna be the last one. So rub it around, and that's it. This one is called ambrosia. So there's different types of them, but the other types are not really available right now. So it's a Gala, Macintosh, ambrosia. That's the only ones that are available right now. That's it, pansit.
Yes.
Ano, busog nami?
Nakadalawa na ako.
Paano natin mabibitit ngayon yan?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, let's go.